In today's video, I will walk you through how to make kinetic animation in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. When the blank project opens, begin by typing your text onto the page. After adding the text, change the font style to something that fits the look you want for your animation. Then, adjust the text color so it stands out clearly on the page. Next, move the text into the center of the screen. Keeping the text centered helps the animation feel cleaner and more balanced as the pages transition. Once the text is positioned correctly, change the page duration to 1 second so the movement between pages stays quick and smooth. Now go to the Animate section in Canva and choose the baseline animation effect. After selecting it, click on both so the animation applies in both directions. This creates the moving typography effect that gives the project its kinetic animation style. Once the animation is applied, duplicate the page. On the duplicated page, change the text to something different, and then update the text color as well. This helps create variation between scenes while keeping the same animation style throughout the project. After that, change the background color to blue. The contrast between the background and text colors helps the motion stand out more clearly when the animation plays. Next, duplicate the page again. On this new page, switch the background color back to white, and then change the text color to blue. After that, type your new text and continue adjusting the text and colors for each page you create. As you build more pages, keep the page duration short so the animation moves quickly from one scene to the next. This fast pacing is what creates the kinetic typography effect and makes the text feel energetic and dynamic. Once you have several animated pages ready, preview the project to see how everything flows together. You can continue experimenting by changing text colors, background combinations, and different text phrases to create more visual variety in the animation. If you want to adjust the movement style, go back into the baseline animation settings and change the animation direction. After making changes, preview the video again to see how the motion feels with the updated direction settings. From there, continue repeating the same process by duplicating pages, changing the text, switching background colors, and adjusting text colors to build more animated typography scenes inside your project. Try to keep the text centered on each page and maintain the 1 second duration throughout the project so the transitions stay fast and consistent. You can also continue refining the animation direction in the baseline settings until the movement matches the style you want. Once everything looks good, play the full project and watch the final kinetic typography animation come together.